So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and activate a plugin from Iconic WP. So first of all, when you make your purchase, you're going to be sent the license key and the download via email. So once you've got that and you've downloaded the plugin, navigate to your WordPress backend, which should look something like this. Go to the plugins section, click Add New. Then you want to click Upload Plugin. Choose File. Select the downloaded zip and press Open. And then Install Now. Once it's installed, you want to click Activate Plugin. And with all of our plugins, you'll be redirected to the license activation screen. So you just copy your license key, paste it into the input field, click Agree and Activate, and then you're done. So once activated, you'll be redirected to the plugin settings section. Now, most of our plugins appear under the WooCommerce menu, and if they don't, they most likely have a section within the main navigation here. So that's it. That's how you install and activate a plugin from Iconic.